UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson was recently murdered, and the internet exploded. Not with sympathy, but with outrage blaming him and companies like his for the healthcare problems in the United States. Healthcare and health insurance are not the same thing, yet most confuse the two, and that confusion is going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. So today in this video, I reveal the real problem and a solution for young professionals so that way you can save thousands. With that being said, let's jump into it. Now, I understand what I'm about to say oversimplifies the healthcare system in the United States, but I'm not here and I don't want to go through this to have a debate about healthcare. I want to go through this with you so you have this background so you know what to do with the financial management strategy. Healthcare is delivered by practitioners. They're the ones performing surgeries, issuing out prescriptions. They're also the ones that are doing the billing. Health insurance is just the act of pooling the risk together to pay for it and decrease cost by spreading that risk among millions and millions of people. What I want you to understand is that insurance is a product. Now, without insurance, a surgery that might cost you like $5,000 in a deductible might actually cost you something like $85,000 if you were paying out of pocket. And that's the purpose of insurance, to protect you from financial ruin. So here's the thing about this solution that I want to touch on. Not everyone is going to be able to take advantage of this. Okay, this is for people that are young, they're healthy, and they have access to a high deductible plan. So in this video, I'm not going to detail what the difference is between the different healthcare plans. So if you don't know what a high deductible plan is, make sure you go Google it and then come back to this video. If you fall into this situation, then you should be using a health savings account. You can think of a health savings account as like a safety net for your financial management strategy. And so, for example, oftentimes with health insurance, young people aren't using it. So you're basically subsidizing older people that are using it. Well, with an HSA account, you begin funding it and you have a very cheap health insurance policy and you put money into an investment account. So let's just say you put $4,000 a year into an HSA. In 20 years from now, that account will be worth $150,000 to $200,000. So then when you need to pay those deductibles, you can withdraw that money. And that money you can put into that HSA before taxes, meaning you can reduce your taxes this year. It grows tax deferred, meaning as it grows, you don't pay taxes on it. And then when you withdraw it, if it's for medical purposes, you don't ever pay taxes on that money. Therefore, you can literally take a chunk of your paycheck and never pay taxes on it and use it for healthcare. Not necessarily today, but in the future when you're older and you need to have those things, potential surgeries and that type of stuff. Plus, you have a high deductible plan that can cover you in case you do have that catastrophic health event. Hey guys, real quick, if you're still watching this video, it's because you're getting value from it. We enjoy making these videos, and when you subscribe to the channel, it helps us grow, which allows us to keep making more and more videos. So if you get a chance, please hit the subscribe button. With that being said, let's jump back into the video. The reason why I said to go look at what you're paying for now is because a lot of stuff in your insurance policy that you're paying for now as a young professional, you won't ever need. So why are you paying for it? Now, you might be wondering, why are HSAs not more popular? Well, HSAs were passed underneath President Bush, and they didn't get that much attention. The primary reason why is because he passed it, and by the time it went through the IRS process, he was leaving office. And then once Bush leaves, we get in Obamacare. And I want to be clear, I'm not saying Obamacare is bad or anything like that. What I'm saying is before HSAs could really take hold, the conversation in the mainstream media turned to Obamacare, and that was the focus instead of trying to promote HSAs. Now, what I want you to understand is that HSAs are not just about healthcare. It's about good financial management strategies for young professionals. So you're taken care of today, but also in the future. They provide those that are serious about their finances to start treating healthcare not like an expense, but as an investment. I mean, think about this. What would it mean to you if you had $200,000 in an account by the time you're 40 years old that's there for healthcare, and you could potentially use it and never ever pay taxes on it. And that's the question. Are you prepared for the unexpected, or are you leaving it to chance? As I said, the key is to have a good financial strategy. Therefore,